Hello. It is a rainy day here in the Sunshine State, so figured it's the perfect day to do an unboxing of our sun oven. We purchased the All-American sun oven, and we're going to open this up. Okay, seems well packaged as far as packing material and keeping it secure for transit. Okay, there's some other parts in there, but so here we have the main unit and the reflectors. Okay, it looks like there's a protective film on them that needs to be removed before use. Okay, so to open it up, got a handle here. It simply opens up. Got the inside. There is a thermometer in there. So with the thermometer, you can see the cooking temperature going on, and you are able to see it through the glass when you have that closed, so when you have something going. Looks like, okay, I wonder if that's, I'm not sure if that's just to, that might just be to balance, to hold in.
To hold the reflector?
Hold the reflector up at that angle. Okay. Okay, here's. Okay, so we're going to put the reflectors back. We don't need those. One of the reasons we got this is being in Florida, we do get a lot of sun. Also, we do go camping, so thought it could be useful out there for making things. And I mean, we do it as a preparedness as far as with hurricane season, that with Hurricane Irma, we did have about 6 days that we didn't have any electricity. So to be able to have alternative ways to, because once the hurricane actually passes, then the sun is coming out, so have an alternative way to prepare food in those situations. Okay, so this came in okay, so here, so we have a rack, so we could put.
That's the auto leveling rack.
Okay.
So like if you have to tilt it, there's a...
I see, yeah, so if it's tilted, it will move it to keep it level.
Okay.
Now I will say we chose this model for, there's really only one other model like this. A lot of them had, a lot of the ones you see out there are kind of more a cylinder as far as the container, and we felt that limits what you can put in there, especially as we are primarily vegetarian. So it's not like piling on pieces of meat, which may work well in the tube type solar ovens. So we chose this one. I will say that the time it took from when we ordered it to when we actually received the product was quite a while. And the company was not the most responsive as far as the shipping times and when we'd get any updates. So I would warn you, this is the type of thing you're going to want to get in advance. This is not something that you see a situation coming, whether you're, going to be going off the grid, going camping, that, whether you want one in the next week or two. This is probably not going to be the right product. So I know they were saying some was supply chain issues, but still, it did take over a month from when we ordered this to receive the product. Okay, so there is a handle to carry it. Pretty lightweight unit, and I mean, it does seem like good construction on the product. We have back here as far as setting up, as far as being able to go with, to get it more direct with the sun. I mean, there is some more setup and installation that needs to be done. Okay, and I just noticed that we have a little snap here to hold the panels, the reflectors down when you are in transit, so it can keep that from bouncing around, because I was a little curious about that. These stickers here on the side, the rating, they can be removed, so if you want to be a bit more discreet, you can take those off. So we got the, we bought the set that included a accessory pack. So we're going to look at some of the things there. We have, so the accessory, we have a little pot with a lid, 2 sections in it so you can cook 2 items at once. There is a book with some of their recipes. They've got some sweet potato muffins, 2-ingredient chocolate cake, a baked whole chicken meal, we will not be doing that one, zucchini boats, ghee, and sun-dried cherry tomatoes. Is what is mentioned in there. Okay. Okay. Here is another rack that can be used. Okay, so the one that comes with it, the rack is flat, and this is a curved one, so if you're cooking something like a chicken or something, you can just put it right on there. These are dehydrating racks that we have. Comes with a small thing of parchment paper and the cover. Looks like a well-made cover. Keep it good. This is, and here is the multi-fuel water pasteurization. So basically, if you wanted to use the sun oven to pasteurize water, this would indicate when the water would be safe to drink. One more of the racks. When the weather is a little better, we're going to do a follow-up video where we actually will take you along as we prepare some food in this.